How to fix Snapchat keeps stopping on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just open settings of your phone. Then you have to go to apps or applications, and you will open Snapchat. You will search for it first, and when you found it, open it like this. Then go to storage, open storage, and go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click force stop and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.